Hello everyone, and welcome to my Windows Vienna Transformation Pack tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you guys through all the steps necessary to install the Windows Vienna Transformation Pack. I'll be using the Ultimate one, since I'm pretty sure most of you will be using Windows Vienna Ultimate, since it has the most features. Anyway, let's get to this. So what you're going to do is right click on it and run as administrator. Sorry about my cursor's flashing. I'm pretty sure you guys have this issue as well, where your cursor flashes when you're recording a video in a virtual machine. That is so annoying. So I'll do my best. So what you're going to want to do now is select I accept the agreement, which tells you, everything. This is I typed this up. So now you just click next. Then what you're going to want to do here, whatever your drive letter is, mine is C. C is the most common drive letter. If you got Windows Vista, this pack only works with Vista. Let's just say if you've got Windows Vista on a different drive, which could be D or E, what you're gonna do is type E or whatever. That's just an example, or H or G. If your drive letter is on G, just type G. But mine is on C. So where it says specify location, you're going to want to type C/users, then / whatever your username is. To check whatever your username is, just type start, and it should say it right here. Mine is Windows Vista, so I'm going to type Windows Vista, not Windows Vista, Windows Vista, sorry. Then you go type another / then type desktop, and there you go. That's all you have to do. And after that you just select next, and it should extract all the files to your desktop with this into this little folder here, which is pretty good, I guess. And yeah, this is a complete transformation pack. This is going to feature everything that was in the ISO file, so don't worry about anything missing. So now we just got to wait for it to extract all these files. And once it's done so, we just simply, click finish, which is right here. So after that, you just click finish. So once the files have extracted, what you're going to want to do is just don't worry about these, just delete those. And drag and drop these two folders to your desktop. And just exit out of this window. Then you're going to want to go to, if you're using a virtual machine, just go to VM, removable devices, go to CD/DVD SATA. I'll redo this tutorial just to make it clearer. So yeah, as I was saying, you go to VM, removable devices, and go to CD/DVD SATA, and go to settings. Locate your ISO image. Mine is here in this folder. Yours could be on the desktop or something. Just locate, so whatever ISO you use to install this copy of Windows Vista, you're going to want to select the ISO you use to install this copy of Windows Vista here you're running. So after that, you just select your ISO and hit open, then go to OK, then you go to VM again, then removable devices again, then go to CD/DVD SATA, then hit connect. And it should connect after that you just hit, if this pops up, just exit out of it. You don't need that. And then after that, all you do is just simply restart your computer and boot off the ISO image. If you're using like a regular PC instead of a VM, just boot off a Windows Vista disk drive. That's what you're going to want to do, or a bootable USB drive. There's plenty of tutorials on YouTube on how to create a bootable USB drive using Rufus. It's a very good tool. And I'll see if I can link a tutorial for that in the description. If you're going to use Vista for that, I recommend using Rufus 2.18, which is one of the last versions to work on Vista. So I recommend using Rufus 2.18. When doing that, you must use Rufus 2.18. So what you do is you just wait for this to load up. Just be patient and wait for it. As you know, patience is virtue, the old saying. Anyway, right. So once you get to this screen, if your screen looks different to this and it's got a green background, what you're going to want to do is select Install Now. Then once it brings you to the second screen, click Install Now again. Once it gets to the product key menu, you're going to want to type Shift F10, which opens the command prompt. But if you're using this ISO that I'm using, which just gives you this menu, everything's all loaded for you already, so you're going to want to type Shift F10, then type CD/D, then C, which is my drive letter, as I stated earlier. Yours could be different, yours could be D, but also make sure you put the colon as well, do not forget to put the colon. So after you've typed this, you're going to want to hit enter. Then type CD again, then type users. Type your username, type CD, then your username. My username is Windows, not Windows Vista, Windows Vista. God, that sounded a little weird. Anyway, yeah, once you've typed that, just hit enter again. Then type after that CD desktop. Then after you type CD, well, all your files should be extracted to the desktop. So after you've done that, you type CD1, which navigates to the one folder on your desktop. Then type CD system32. This folder, don't be confused here, because this folder isn't the system32 folder in the Windows directory. This is called system32 because all the files in this folder are going to system32. They're going to replace the files in system32. But anyway, once you've typed that, you're just going to hit enter. So once you're done with that, you type copy asterisk. To type an asterisk, just type shift and 8. Then after you've typed your asterisk, what an asterisk is that it copies all the files. So like it copies every single, if I were to type copy asterisk.dll, it will copy every single DLL file in the folder to system32. So after you've typed copy asterisk.dll, type C. It doesn't have to be in capitals, it can be either lowercase or capitals. Then type a slash, make sure it's this exact slash here. Make sure it's, looking exactly like this. And after that type Windows, like C:/Windows/system32. After that you hit enter. Then type A, which represents all. Then after you've typed A, hit enter. And it should overwrite all the DLL files. So now you're going to want to type copy asterisk.exe to C/Windows/system32. Make sure there's no spaces either. So after that you type A, you just hit A again. And then it's just pretty much the same, just follow everything I'm doing and it will work just perfectly fine. But if you're using business and home premium, make sure you do this. Type just type this, copy asterisk.mui to C/Windows/system32 and hit enter. Since Ultimate doesn't require any of those modified MUI files, it won't show up. But if you were to use Home Premium and Business, it would ask you if you wanted to copy the image. So yeah, I'm using Ultimate, so I don't have to do that. So what we're gonna do now, so after you've done that, if you're using Home Premium or Business, once that's copied over, type copy *CPL to C/Windows/system32. It's just the exact same really. Then type A again, which copies all of them over. Then for the logon screensaver, type copy *.scr to C/Windows/system32. And there you go, you've copied all the files from the System32 folder. So now you just exit out of command prompt, then re-enter it. Then just type the exact same stuff, just type cd/dc, or whatever drive letter your Windows install is on, as I mentioned earlier. Then you're going to want to type, excuse me, I'm terribly sorry about that. So, sorry. So now you're going to want to type cd users again, and type cd your username, mine's a Windows Vista, then type cd desktop, cd1, then type cd ehome. If you're using business, you can skip this step because ehome is media center. So now you're going to want to go to now what you're going to do is you're going to type copy *.exe to c/windows/ehome, then type A, which overwrites all of those files. Then you're going to want to type again copy *.dll, which copies the DLL files over, the modified resources which are inside the DLL files. Yep, just type copy *.dll to c:/windows/ehome. And there you go, that's it for Media Center. So now you're going to want to go to Explorer, which the Explorer.exe is located. So type c/, oh sorry about that, I'm terribly sorry. I'm human, I make mistakes, I guess. But anyway, just type cd/dc again, then type cd users, cd Windows Vista, same old, cd desktop, cd1. Yep, it's just the exact same stuff. Then after that you just type cd explorer, which is where explorer.exe is. So now you type copy explorer.exe to c/windows, then type A, or just type, you can type Y if you like, but just type A because it still works. And there you go, explorer.exe is being copied over. You're going to want to go into command prompt one last time for the sound scheme, the Windows Vienna sound scheme. So now you type just the exact same thing previously, cd/dc, cd users, cd Windows Vista, which is my username, cd desktop, cd1, then you go to cd sound scheme. Firstly, type copy *.mid, which is the mid files, to c/windows/media, then type A on your keyboard, which again copies those files over, and then type copy *.wav, which is a wave file, to c/windows/media, and it should copy all of them. Once you type A on your keyboard, it should overwrite every single one of them. So that's it. You're done for this part. You're done for the one folder. All the resources in folder 1 have been installed to Windows Vienna, I guess. Sorry, it's really late here and I'm tired. I've just gotten back from my first day at school. It was a great day at school, let's just say that. Anyway, after you exit those windows, your computer should just restart. And if it prompts you to boot into any like CD or anything, just let that pass. Just let it boot off the disk. So now let's see the results that you guys should have. So once Windows has loaded, you should get the Windows Vienna boot logo, or the boot orb, whatever you like to call it. So there you go, look, you got the Windows Vienna startup animation, and you got the Windows Vienna logon wallpaper as well. And you got the spinning wheel as well. But very much still remains Vista. But as you can see, since the Explorer.exe has made some changes. The buttons have changed colour, and this has also changed, and the bitmap image in there has also changed. Let's close out of that. And the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi, like the network icon has also changed, and so has the sound icon too, and a bunch of other stuff. So now what you're going to want to do is go to 2. First step's pretty easy. You just go to Start, Computer, Local Disk, which is where your Windows is installed, -C. Go to Windows, then rename branding to branding.vista or whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it branding.vista because why not? And now you're going to want to drag and drop the branding folder to the Windows directory. Click Continue. Just to show you it worked, I'll type Winva. So there you go, that's the new branding that's just been installed. Sorry, I can't really see my cursor properly at times because screen recorders suck and they make it all weird for some reason. Anyway, now you're gonna want to we're gonna save program files for last because that's the most difficult part and the most time-consuming part. So now you're gonna want to go to cursors, right-click on them and select copy, and paste them into both of these shortcuts. Type continue. Then go to this one and select paste. If it gives you this little message, which it will, just spam try again multiple times, then select cancel. And just check in this folder to see if it changed them. And it did here. Look, make sure arrow_busy is purple. And also make sure arrow_working is purple as well, since these are the cursors that appear when Windows boots up. So now you're going to want to go to sample pictures and simply just get rid of them. You can keep them if you want, but for the sake of this video I'm not going to. And then just drag and drop all the sample pictures into there, and there you go, you've got the new sample pictures. And now you're going to want to drag and drop the theme into that shortcut there, look, and just hit continue and all that. Just minimize this and select personalize to apply it. I've also changed that little icon there as well. Go to window color and appearance, go to open classic appearance properties for more color options, then select the secondary Windows arrow option, which should apply your theme. There you go, the Windows Vienna theme has now been applied. Now go straight back to the folder. Then go to Update Center shortcut, just drag and drop this into there. Just click allow and all that. If it prompts you to do any of that, just click allow. Then delete the Windows Live Essentials shortcut, you don't need that. So now you're going to want to go to User Tiles. These are your user tiles in Windows Vista. Just delete them. And then copy and just move these there as well. So what you're going to want to do is, why is it not working? That's really weird. I hope it's not copying them. But anyway, right, let's move these over, as I was saying. And there you go, they've all moved over to the location they're meant to be at. So now you just change your picture to the Windows Vienna one. And you go straight back to folder number 2. Then go to wallpaper. Select all of these wallpapers. Don't select the shortcut, by the way. So now you're going to want to select all these wallpapers and just drag and drop them into there. Then check this little checkbox where it says do this for the next 35 conflicts. Then select move and replace. Then select continue and allow. And there you go. It should have moved them over. And go to personalize. Go to desktop background, and it should change it. And there you go. We're already another step closer to looking like Windows Vienna. So now, since we've done all that, we're going to go to program files. It's not as bad as you think, trust me. There's probably been, like the older transformation packs, I imagine, have probably been worse. But anyway, now what you're going to want to do is go to local disk, program files, Movie Maker, name this folder, the old shared folder, shared.vista, or whatever you want to call it. Just like branding, just name it something different, because it won't let you delete it. Then move the shared folder over to there. Now, what you're going to want to do is take ownership of these little files here. We're going to start with DVD. If you're using business, you're not going to have DVD Maker. But for the sake, since I'm using Ultimate, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to go to Properties, go to Security, go to Advanced, go to Owner, then go to Edit, click Continue. Then select your user down here, mine's Windows Vista, then hit OK, and you should have taken ownership of the file. Then you just click OK here, look. Then you go to Users, select Edit up here, look. Select Users again and check the full control checkbox, and select OK, and then select OK again, and now you should have full control over that file. Do the exact same for Movie MK, which is Movie Maker. So you go to Security, go to Advanced, go to Owner, you go to Edit, then go to Windows Vista, which is my username. Select your username there, then select OK, then select OK, then select OK again, then select Edit. After that, you select your user and select full control, and then click OK again. Then just check that your user has full control, which it does. So now we've done that, you just move these files. But no, you don't move those files. If you move those files, it will create shortcuts. What you're going to want to do instead is right click on them and copy them, and then find an empty space in the folder and select paste, and it should overwrite both of them. So now we move on to Windows Calendar. This one's a little bit easier since it's only one file to take ownership of. We go to Properties and do the exact same thing. This is all we're going to have to do throughout this part, the program files part. This is all we're going to have to do. So you just go to Advanced, I've said this earlier, then go to Owner, go to Edit, Continue, then select your username again and you should take ownership of the file. Then select OK again, then select Edit, then select your username right there, Users, then select full control again. Then exit out of that, and then just right click and copy on WinCal, which is in the program, which is in the transformation pack folder, and copy and paste it to the Windows directory, and there you go. That's now been changed. Now you're going to want to go to Windows Mail, and now we'll start with msoeres.dll, which is where the bitmaps are and everything, you know, the resources. So yeah, once again we just go to Security, and go to Advanced, then go to Owner, go to Edit, click Continue, then select your username again. It's very easy. Once you get the hang of it, it's very easy. It's just like doing a flip on a trampoline. Once you've done it, you can just do it. You'll never forget how to do it. So there you go. And yeah, I can do a flip on the trampoline, by the way. So now you go to winmail.exe, then go to Security, then just go to Advanced. It doesn't matter what you click on. Just go to Advanced, go to Owner, go to Edit, select Continue, then select username again, so on, so on. Hit Enter, hit OK, you know. And there you go. Now you just select your username up here, look, and select Edit. I'm sorry if I'm misclicking. That's because VMware is really stupid when it comes to screen recording and your cursor's constantly flashing. That's so annoying. So there you go. You should now just copy both of these files and paste them into the Windows directory, or the program files directory, whatever. So now we skip Windows Media Player. I'll tell you why in a minute. I'll show you why later. So now we move on to Windows Photo Gallery, and go to we change photo gallery first. Go to security again, just like last time. Nothing's gonna change. Go to advanced. Go to owner. Go to edit. Yeah, pretty easy stuff really. And then select OK. Select edit again. Select users. Then select full control. And there you go. You've got full control of that exe file. Go to photoviewer.dll. Go to security once again. Go to advanced. Then go to owner again. Sorry for my lack of enthusiasm, I'm so tired. Like I said earlier, I literally just got back from school. It was quite a good day actually. It was my first day back. First day in year 11. Anyway, we just click OK again. Then select users. I might not be active as much on YouTube this year due to exams and stuff. I'm gonna have to revise for my exams. I can't live off YouTube, you know. I've got to pass my GCSEs, so I won't be as active this year. Well, I know I won't be because I'll be revising. So yeah, now you go to security. Go to advanced, just like previously. Then go to owner. Make sure you go on the owner tab. And go to edit. Go to Windows Vista again, which is my username. I know I keep repeating this, but I just want to make sure you guys know what you're doing. I'm sorry if I'm annoying you guys in any way, but yeah. Right, users, select full control. Yeah, select full control always. And there you go, photo view has been done. And now for the last DLL file for this folder. It's almost over, guys, don't worry, I know how repetitive this is, but it will be fine. Go to not details, sorry. Security, then go to advanced, go to owner, go to edit in the bottom left. Then yeah, just do the exact same stuff, it's pretty easy. Hit OK, then select edit. Then go to users and all that. I will do a face reveal at the end of year 11, by the way. I don't want my school finding out about my YouTube. That would be pretty catastrophic, to say the very least. So yeah, now we're going to go to paste. Do this for next 3 conflicts. And there we go, that's that folder all done. Now we're going to have to do sidebar. For sidebar, we're going to have to right click on the taskbar and hit Task Manager. Then we go to processes and terminate sidebar.exe. We end process. If we were to leave it running, it wouldn't let us overwrite the sidebar file. So now we just go to security, we do the exact same thing, take ownership, blah blah blah. Go to advanced, go to owner, go to edit, go to Windows Vista, your user, whatever. And there you go, now you just go to edit. There you go to users. And there you go. Now we just go to sidebar. Sorry about that. Yeah, we just go to sidebar. Nope. Yeah, that's why you must never drag and drop. You must always copy and paste. There you go. So now we go to gadgets and just rename every single gadget something different. Just put like a letter at the end of it and everything. I'm just going to put the letter S at the end of all of them. No, it won't let you delete them. If you try and delete them, it won't let you, which is really annoying. But this is an alternate way. So yeah, gadgets, just put the letter S at the very end. Just click allow and all that. I'm really glad my new CPU came today. It's an Intel Xeon. I no longer use my i5 2500. It was a great CPU. I loved my i5 2500. It never failed me once. I don't know why, but I just suddenly felt the need to upgrade. But never mind, you know. I might sell my i5 2500. I'll let you guys know when I do. And also the socket type for the Intel Core i5 2500 is an LGA 1155 socket. It's a Sandy Bridge CPU, Sandy Bridge. It's a great CPU, by the way. It never failed me once. It never slowed down. It never failed me. Since, as you can see, I've made the only reason why my channel, the only reason why my videos are much better than they used to be a good few years ago is because of my new PC with the specs it has, mostly because of the CPU. So now what you're going to want to do once you've changed the name for all these files, you just check the box that says hidden, then select OK. If it gives you this if it gives you this jump scare, this is such a jump scare, it's always jump scared me. So yeah, what you're going to do is just select continue, and it should hide all of them. Oh, well, never mind. Let's give it a go. Well, if it says access is denied, just say select all of them. Sorry about that. It should do that. Just do exactly what I did. So now you just drag and drop all these gadgets to the sidebar folder, and there you go. You've done that part. And now you just, sorry about that. I can't see where my cursor is at times. God, I hate VMs. When you record VMs, it's so annoying. So now you just type sidebar, and there you go. You've got all your new gadgets. You've got all your Windows Vienna gadgets here. Look. So yeah, now after that, what you're gonna want to do is go back to folder number 2 and go to Program Files, Windows Media Player. And now you're going to want to go to Computer, Local Disk, Program Files x86, and go to Windows Media Player, and take ownership of all these files here, just like previously. Nothing's changed. It's going to be the exact same. Go to Advanced, go to Owner, go to Edit. As I stated previously, this is very easy. You'll get the hang of it very quickly, I'm sure. So yeah, now you just go to Edit again, and go to Users, and check Full Control. As always check full control, guys, it's very important. So now you just go to, yeah, once again, your security. I don't even need to talk about this. But yeah, today's been a very good day at school. Why am I bringing that up? Oh, I don't know why. But oh well. Yeah, I might as well, because it's been pretty great. Anyway, no, why am I hitting edit again? I'm getting distracted. So you just click OK, go to edit, then select users, select OK, and all that. Just overwrite all these. I mean, just you know, take ownership of all these files with the Windows Media Player icon on them. Go to Owner, go to Edit. You know, yeah. Just do the same old, really. And select your users. I can't help but just talk through how to do this. I'm sorry if I'm being annoying. Okay, security, yeah, all that. I wonder how long I've been recording this for. Probably a good few hours, or an hour or so. Maybe. Because this stuff takes time. Alright, there we go, taking ownership of that. Now we go to edit. Yeah, the only reason I'm quite energetic is because I've had 2 cans of cider earlier and all that. Anyway, there we go. We've done that. Now we just copy and, well, yeah, we copy. Whoops. Make sure you select all 4 of these and select copy, then select paste, and theoretically this should just work just fine. Then go to en-us and do the exact same here and find setup_wm.exe.mui. Go to, just do the exact same. I'm going to shut up now and just let you guys just do it yourself, yeah. Alright then. Select your name. I'm sorry, oh my god. Sorry about that. So yeah, you just select your name as usual. And just hit OK for everything. Select edit, trusted installer, not trusted installer, users, sorry, always users, always. And there you go. Now you just copy this over to there. And also, it's always install Windows Media Player last. I'll get to that now, because when you do that, it refreshes the icon cache. Well, usually it does. And also one last thing, one very last thing, the reason why I included Resource Hacker is only for one thing. If your Windows Vista ISO is later than like Windows Vista build 6002 18005, which is the pre-platform update, if it's updated since then, I'll show you what to do. Like if you just go to Windows Media Player, then just go straight to folder number 2, go to Resource Hacker and just set it up. This is the only reason you will ever need it. Just install it and finish. Resource Hacker is a great bit of software. So what you do is that you go to Resource Hacker, which should be in the start menu. So yeah, all you do is you just take wmplayer.exe here, then go to version info, and wherever it says where the expected number is, just change where it's this number here, where it says 18,005, change that to wherever it says 18,005 here, look, just change it. But that's only if it gives you an error message. If it doesn't, if Windows Media Player, if it sets up just fine, if it sets up just like this and works, you do not need to install Resource Hacker. So yeah, once it's all loaded and all that, just select Express Settings and hit Finish, and Windows Media Player should work. And once that's done, just click the Start menu, and all your icons should be Windows Vienna icons now. It's refreshed your icon cache entirely. We're not done just yet. What we're going to do, but first of all, before we do this, make sure you select Welcome Center. Make sure you select Welcome Center, because it's still, and select what's new in Windows Vista. Sorry about that, my voice is a bit funny lately. So yeah, just select what's new in Windows Vista, and after you've done that, you exit out of that. So type the Windows key, or the Start key, whatever you like to call it. So hold down the Windows key, and type R. Then type regedit. Type regedit, which should open up the Registry Editor. So what you're going to want to do is go to H key current user. You're going to want to go to Software, Classes, Local Settings, Software again, and go to Microsoft, go to Windows, go to Shell, and go to MUI Cache. Full screen this window, then hold down Control and then press F. Type Vista, then hit Enter. Wherever it says Vista, just replace it, substitute it with the word Vienna. Not VNE, Vienna, sorry. Then hit Enter. Just constantly keep doing that. Where it says Vista, look. Every single file where it says Vista, just change it to Vienna. Just keep repeatedly doing this. It's very easy, trust me. It's not any intensive registry tweaks. It's very basic registry tweaks. It's not even really registry tweaks, it's just making very minor changes. Windows Vienna, just change, as I was saying, just change everything that says Vista to Windows. Sorry about that, just, yeah. Alright, yeah, just select whatever is highlighted. Type Vienna, type Control F, just keep doing this, it's very easy. It's probably one of the easiest things there is to do here. Just keep constantly doing it. It's very easy, as I keep saying. I'm sorry if I keep saying that. Alright. Can get a bit repetitive though, I'll tell you that, it's quite boring. Just keep typing Control F. Damn, there's a lot of stuff that says Vista. Alright. Whoops. Yep, just change anything that says Vista. Try not to make any typos, by the way. Otherwise it may look a bit strange, you know, it may look a bit stupid. So yeah, Vienna. And type Control F again. Just constantly do that. Oh, oops, yeah, there's an example of a typo. Try, just, if you make a typo, just you know, replace it. It seems like I've changed every single... If you type Control, if you find it, and if you double click on something that doesn't have the word Vista in it, that means you've changed every single thing that says Vista. So after that, all you do is just exit, and it should say what's new in Windows Vienna. So there you go. Now you've 100% transformed Windows Vista into Windows Vienna. So now you can just delete. Well, I recommend keeping the transformation pack just in case you want to keep it. You know, I'll move that to documents. But yeah, you might as well just delete these folders now. So there you go. That's it. You've successfully transformed Windows Vista 100% into Windows Vienna. So there you go, guys. I'll just show you a little Windows Experience Index. Yeah, as you can see, there's literally not one thing left that says Vista. I'll show you remote desktop connection as well. That's also Vienna themed. Oh my god, I can't see my cursor again. And also, I don't know if you've noticed yet, guys, but I've also changed the Wi-Fi icon down in the icon tray. Look, that's also changed. And yes, everything, you can remove Windows meeting space off the list. I haven't yet created an icon for that. I will do in a future update for the transformation pack. So yeah, I just want to show you some things that are in the Windows Vienna transformation pack. This is the complete tier. I'm going to keep the old one up, which is going to be the easy tier for those of you who haven't really had any experience with this kind of stuff. The original transformation pack is still up and available on the Windows Vienna Update Center. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for this to assess my computer. And here's proof I got a new CPU, by the way. It's an Intel Xeon E31275 at 3.4 GHz instead of 3.8 GHz. This CPU has hyperthreading, by the way, and it has 4 cores and 8 threads, I believe. My old Intel Core i5 2500 had 4 cores and 4 threads, while this has 4 cores and 8 threads, and it has hyperthreading. Like I said, it's a very good CPU. My boot time has improved. Let's just say that. And yeah, my old CPU used to say a 5.7. This says 5.8. This is just a VM. My main PC it says 5.9. So yeah, there you go. There's proof that these have also been changed, and I'll show you another thing that's been changed in Windows Vienna. I'm sure you guys are hoping for this to be changed, and well, your dream has become a reality. WinSat Aurora has made it into a transformation pack. I'll show you that. Look, here's proof. I'm not even kidding. Look, it literally has made its way into the transformation pack. And yeah, that's about it. I'll show you the new Windows Media Center works and all that. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed setting up this Windows Vienna transformation pack. I hope you've had fun doing it. You know, I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you found it useful. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this video and taking your time to watch this. Oh, just ignore this little error. It's nothing. It appears on Vista as well. So yeah, see you guys very soon in another upload. It's been a pleasure making this tutorial. And yeah, see you soon. And I hope you have a good day.